A business spends months building the perfect strategy. But shortly after implementation, new regulations are introduced, customer expectations shift, and market conditions become less favorable. The strategy was strong, but the environment changed. That is why organizations use PESTLE analysis to understand the external factors that can influence success. In this video, we will explore what PESTLE analysis is, why it is important, and how organizations use it to make better strategic decisions. What is PESTLE analysis? PESTLE analysis is a strategic framework used to identify and evaluate external factors that may affect an organization, industry, or project. PESTLE stands for political factors, economic factors, social factors, technological factors, legal factors, environmental factors. Together, these factors provide a structured view of the external influences that can create risks or opportunities. Why is PESTLE analysis important? Organizations do not operate in isolation. External factors can significantly influence performance, growth, and decision-making. Some key benefits of PESTLE analysis include strategic planning, supports better long-term business planning. Risk identification highlights potential threats from the external environment. Opportunity recognition helps identify emerging trends and growth opportunities. Market awareness improves understanding of industry and market conditions. Decision-making supports informed business and investment decisions. Competitive advantage helps organizations adapt more effectively to change. By understanding the external environment, organizations can make more confident strategic decisions. Understanding the 6 PESTLE factors. Each element of PESTLE analysis focuses on a different aspect of the external environment. Political factors. Government policies, taxation, trade regulations, and political stability that may affect business operations. Economic factors. Inflation, interest rates, economic growth, unemployment levels, and market conditions. Social factors, customer behavior, demographics, lifestyle trends, and cultural influences. Technological factors, innovation, automation, digital transformation, and technological advancements. Legal factors, employment laws, industry regulations, health and safety requirements, and compliance obligations. Environmental factors, sustainability initiatives, climate change, environmental regulations, and resource management. Together, these factors help organizations build a complete picture of the external environment. How organizations use PESTLE analysis. PESTLE analysis is widely used during strategic planning and business decision-making. Organizations commonly use it for market entry planning, business expansion strategies, product launches, investment decisions, risk management activities, industry and competitor analysis. By assessing external influences early, organizations can reduce uncertainty and improve planning. Real-world example. Imagine a company planning to launch electric vehicles in a new market. Before investing heavily, the organization needs to understand government incentives, economic conditions, customer attitudes towards sustainability, emerging technologies, environmental regulations, and legal requirements. PESTLE analysis helps assess all these external factors, allowing the company to make more informed decisions and reduce potential risks. This demonstrates how external influences can shape the success of a business strategy. A strong strategy is not only built on internal strengths, it also depends on understanding the environment in which the organization operates. PESTLE analysis provides a structured way to evaluate external factors, helping organizations identify risks, recognize opportunities, and make better strategic decisions. When businesses understand the forces shaping their environment, they are better prepared to adapt, compete, and succeed. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on business analysis, strategy, and professional skills.